Hello everybody, how are you? I'm sure you are missing the school and your aunties, and here your auntie is missing you a lot. That's why today I thought to show you something to reinforce the sounds, and you know my basket very well. But I have something different in it today for you. Okay, let's start. Do you remember which sound is this? Remember? Yes, it's P. Repeat after auntie. P. Again. P. P. You are not going to say it pa. This is not pa. This is P. Good. So I keep my card here on the table. Next. Do you remember which sound is this? This is I hope so no one is saying it ha. This is not ha. This is So let's see what comes next. Who remember this? This is Repeat with auntie. This is not fa. This is So I'm keeping the card here on the table. And next is G. G. You can do it like this. G. G. This is not G. This is G. And here is my last card. You remember it? This is You remember we used to do like This is Don't call it ma. This is not ma. This is So I am keeping the card here on my table. So let's see, what do I have in my basket? I'm going to take my tangible object one by one out of my basket and find its beginning sound. Ready? Here we go. The first object, what is this? This is a hat. 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 And hat begins with hat. Hat. So I keep my hat here because hat begins with So next object. Paint. 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 I'm going to look and find the beginning sound of paint. Paint begins with P. P. So I will keep paint with my sound. Let's see what comes out next. What is this? This is fork. 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 And fork begins with yes. So I will keep fork with next. What is this? Yes, this is milk. Milk. Milk begins with milk. Yes. I have something else. What is this? Can you see it? This is a fan. Fan. And fan begins with fan. Where is my f? Here it is. So I will keep my fan here. Next is, oh yes, this is goat. Goat. What is this? Goat. And goat begins with G. G. Where is my G? Here it is. So I will keep my goat with my sound G. Let's read it together. Ready? P. Paint. H. Hat. F. Fork. F. Fan. G. Goat. Milk. Okay, the next object is, yes, this is a mug. Mug. Now you are supposed to think and tell me what mug begins with. Does it begin with F? No. With no. Mug. Yes, it begins with mug. Good job. Here I have a very tiny object. Look, what is this? This is a pan. 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 Mama fries egg in a pan. Now tell me what pan begins with. Pan begins with G. No. With F. No. Pan begins with P. P. So where is my P? Yeah, here it is. So I will keep my pan here. Next, I have a small mop. What is this? Repeat with auntie. Mop. Mop. We do clean the floor with mop. Now tell me, what does mop begin with? Mop. Does it begin with P? No. Mop begins with mop. So I will keep it here with Let's read it once together. Repeat with auntie. P. Paint. P. Pan. What is this? Hat. What is this? What do I have here? Fork. Fan. Which sound is this? G. Goat. Milk. Mug. Mop. Wow, look, what do I have? This is a gift. Gift. Repeat with auntie. Yes, gift. Now we must think and find the beginning sound for gift. Gift begins with H. No. Does it begin with F? No. Does it begin with G? Yes. G. Gift. Next, I have something very beautiful. Look, what is this? This is a feather. This is a feather. And feather begins with, loudly, feather. Good job. What is this? This is a horse. horse, horse. And horse begins with, anybody can tell me? Begins with M? No. Begins with G? No. With yes, horse. Okay, let's repeat once together, then we will move on. Ready? This time I'm going to start from this side. Ready? Okay, which sound is this? Mop, mug, milk. Good. Now I want to read this one. Ready? Fork, fan, feather. What do I have here? I have hat, horse. And here? Paint, pan. G, g, goat, g, gift. Okay. What is this? Yes, yummy. This is pizza, pizza. And pizza begins with P, P. So auntie will keep it with sound P. Oh, what do I have? What is this? Yes, this is a house, house, house. And house begins with which sound? With F. No. With G. No. House begins with house. So I will keep it here with my object. Okay, and my last object in the basket is something very tiny. This is my guitar. What is this? Guitar. And guitar begins with which sound? Can you find it for auntie and tell me? Guitar begins with G. G. Guitar. So let's read it together once and we will wind up the session. Ready? P. Paint. P. Pan. P. Pizza. Hat, horse, house, fork, fan, feather, G, goat, G, gift, G, guitar, milk, mug, mop. I hope you enjoyed the session. Have a nice day.